So there's 3 lesson sets in this unit. Why and how is the sea level rising is the first 4 lessons. Then lessons 5 through 7 focus on what solutions could help slow polar ice melt. And then lesson set 3 focuses on how well would the berm solution, which probably means very little to you at the moment, work in the context of Earth systems. Moving into lesson set 3, then we're focused more specifically on the proposed berm solution, and explain that. And so students were looking at data from Inuit hunters and fishers, as well as NASA scientists, to better understand how this works. As I kind of hinted at, it's actually blocking warm water on the bottom of the bay, which is not where warm water is supposed to be. So this is a chance to investigate what makes that possible and kind of build a more complex high school level of what's going on with density. And then moving from there, we're actually able to do more investigations to determine how well that berm solution could work and make some predictions about, like, would it actually prevent ice melt? And so doing that, we have sims, we have hands-on investigations in lessons 10 and 11, which allow us to develop a mathematical model, which can help us predict energy transfer that is prevented due to the berm. And in lesson 12, we put that all together and develop a really pretty complex mathematical model, which includes pretty much all our ideas from lesson set 3 and uses them to actually do that prediction. And then finally, in lesson 13, we've been focused really in on the berm solution, but we've seen a lot in this unit that indicates that we're actually living in a really complex system here on Earth, and everything on Earth is connected. And so we kind of spec out, like, we want a computational model which can take all that into account, just, much like what scientists do when they do climate modeling. And that actually consists of a lot of matter and energy transfers. Those are the basis of our computational model. So we ask questions of that model to better understand human impacts on Earth systems. And then there's a transfer task centered around planning an investigation to figure out why a heat pump is broken in the home.